Hello guys, I hope you guys are doing great. So as you have seen the title, today we'll be discussing on how to get the courses for free on Coursera. And before getting started guys, let me tell you, I am not going to tell you any third-party website or any Telegram group. The methods I am going to show you are legit ways and using which you can get the access to the course for free. And so without any further ado, let's get started. So actually there are two methods which Coursera supports to provide access to any user on any course, and this should be a professional certificate, and this is not applicable to any degree programs or degree certificates on the Coursera. This is applicable only on the professional certificate on Coursera. So the main problem here is people don't know that they can actually get these courses for free. That Coursera itself provides two methods using which any user can access the course for free, or he can also earn the certificate using these methods. So I'm going to show you both the methods with an example on the website itself. So let's get onto the screen. So guys, let me first load the website, and it's Coursera, and let me log in my account. And if you guys don't have account, you can just sign up for the account using your mail ID. And if you already have an account, you can just log in using it. And as you can see, I have logged into my account. Okay guys, this method is only applicable on the certification programs, not on the degree programs. And as you can see, I have already registered for a course named Algorithmic Toolbox. Okay guys, let me show you with the first method, and this method is named as Audit course. Okay guys, the first method I am going to show you is Audit course. Using this method, you can actually directly start learning the content of the course immediately. But the catch here is that you will not be able to get the assignments done, or you will not be able to get the certificate. You will just be able to access the content on the course, and you can just start learning as soon as you hit the audit button. And this is the first method which you can use to get the access to the course for free. And let me show you how you can get this method. Okay guys, here I am using an example of this course which is named as Data Structures and Algorithm Specialization. So you need to keep in mind that these courses which are named specialization, these consist of a couple of other courses clubbed together, and this specialization as shown here consists of 6 courses. As you can see, there are already 6 courses mentioned here. So now I'll show you how you can get one of these courses by using the method one, which is using the audit course option. So I'm using this third option, which is algorithms on graphs. And as you can see here guys, it's showing enroll for free and starts at June 22. So you just need to click here, enroll for free, and it will show you the page to ask like which plan do you need, whether it's monthly or 3 months or 6 months, whether it's for 1 month or, and you can as you can see, it's showing the price to select. This is to purchase the course, since we will be accessing the course for free. And this is the first method, which is named as audit the course. If you click this button, you will be able to access the course immediately. So let me show you. So as you can see, like I'll click on the enroll free button, and I'll scroll down, and you just need to ignore this pricing plans, and below here you can see the button audit the course. Just click on it, and it will be allowed for, and you will be getting the access to the course for free. And as you can see, the course is loading, and yeah, as you can see, it's already loaded, and it's a 6-week program. And as you can see, all the contents of the course being shown here. Let us go to week 2, and but the catch here is that you will not be able to do this programming assignments, and you will not be getting the certificate using this first method, which is audit the course option. And I hope this was clear to you guys, and if you have any questions or queries, you can comment down in the comment box, and I'll be happy to help you. Let me show you the another method using which also you can get the access for the course for free. Get this course using another method, which is using financial aid option. Before showing the second method, let me tell you what is financial aid. What is financial aid? Financial aid is nothing but it's like a scholarship program given by Coursera for the students. The financial aid is just like a scholarship option, and using which you will be getting the course for free. Let me show you how the procedure works. So guys, I'll be selecting this fourth course named Algorithms on Strings. So as you can see guys, the course named Algorithms on Strings is loaded, and As you can see here, it also showing enroll for free. You can also use this method to get the access for free, but this will just give you the basic content of the course, and you will not be able to get the assignments and certificate, which is using audit the course option. The another option is using the financial aid. So let's just click onto this financial aid button. And as you can see guys, application can take up to 15 days to get reviewed. Basically this is like a scholarship program, and you have to fill the application to get the financial aid from Coursera. And let me show you the procedure. Continue to the application for the course. So let me just click on it, and let's just see the application, how will it be and how is the procedure for it. And as you can see guys, it has loaded a form for us, and you need to fill this form. Let me just tick this, and let me just show you what it is required to fill this form. So guys, as you can see, it's asking for the educational background and annual income. You can just give 0 for this, and how much you can afford to pay. Keep it like minimum, or keep it just 0, and choose your like employability status. So as you can see guys, it's just asking the basic information, your education, annual income. You can keep that as 0, and afford to pay, how much you can afford to pay, also can keep it as 0. And these three fields are important, which are these three boxes. Why are you applying the financial aid? And this one, these three are like important, which will be reviewed by the team of Coursera. So I have provided a template using which consists all of the answers for these questions, and please make the modifications as per your requirement, and just fill this three questions and click on the I'm not the robot button, and just click on this button and just submit the application. And make sure to modify these answers are going to be reviewed to provide you financial aid. And after you have finished filling these three questions, you can just click on the submit application button, and you just need to wait at least 15 days, and you'll be getting a mail by Coursera. So guys, please check out this video to know the factors to check before buying a second-hand laptop. And until then, my name is Shujat and you're watching Geeky Info. See you all in the next one. Bye bye.